Thank you so much for your inquiry on the Honda CR-V. I just wanted to take a moment to share with you some of the things that are going to come on this vehicle, and then also just introduce myself to you. Now, on all of the CR-Vs, you are going to have standard, that full Honda Sensing suite. That's going to be your lane keeping assist, your road departure, your collision braking, and your adaptive cruise control. You're also going to have your Econ mode, your brake hold, your multi-angle backup camera, and your Bluetooth features. Tons of space inside of this vehicle. I can't wait to show it all to you in person. Go ahead and give me a call to set up your appointment. It's going to, my number that you can reach me at is 205-719